Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm partnering with HAIRVIVI, which is honestly a dream come true. It's a full circle moment for me. I actually used to buy HAIRVIVI wigs when I first got into wigs about 10 years ago. I was in college, so this is honestly an unreal collaboration that I'm really excited to share with you guys. First of all, let's get into the packaging. 10 out of 10. I mean, HAIRVIVI is truly a luxury wig brand, and that is consistent throughout the packaging, the quality, I mean, all of the attention to detail. This particular unit comes with a pre-made fake scalp, which this is the first unit that I've ever owned that had this. It's literally perfect for me because I never use stocking caps. This just makes it look so much more natural, like it's coming out of my scalp. This unit is also made with real invisible HD lace. It comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked. This is in 18 inches, and I got the lace and the fake scalp in the color Cappuccino, which is perfect for my skin tone. You can find one that works best for you. Y'all, I had to step away a couple of times while I was cutting the lace because I could not, the lace is so invisible that I couldn't even see where I was cutting. I couldn't tell where the lace ended and my skin began. As you guys can see, like, you cannot even see the grids on the lace. Now I'm just using my hot comb and some hairspray to get the part super flat. A wax stick also works really well for this, but I didn't have one on hand. But for sure, the secret, the key to a flat wig is a hot comb. You need one. Can we just take a moment and appreciate the artistry? The lace is unreal. The parting space, like, even as I'm parting it, it really looks like scalp, and I got really close to the camera because I wanted you guys to see. Now I'm just using my wand to put some curls in the hair, and let me just say that this hair holds a curl and heat in general super well. The density, the shine and luster, the bounce, it's almost giving straight out of the salon. Like, that's how I felt. I literally felt like I had just gotten my hair done. Another, like, kind of weird thing that I feel like maybe I'm sure some people appreciate is that it doesn't have a smell. Like, it almost smells kind of good. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it doesn't smell super processed or anything like that. And yeah, honestly, you could just tell that this is really good, high quality hair. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and again, like, the price point is, I would say that HAIRVIVI does skew a little bit more on the pricey side, but as you guys can see from this video, you really get what you pay for from the packaging, the attention to detail, the construction of the unit, the colors that are offered for the lace and the cap. Like, you really get what you pay for. I would highly recommend, 11 out of 10 would recommend this wig and just HAIRVIVI in general. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.